Hello traders, this is Rich from TradeSight. This is a look at our scans for the coming session. These are going to be for leading stocks for Monday, June 3rd, 2013. We are going out at the lows here. We do have a few sell signals here and there, but very, very weak close, essentially bid vacuum going into the close here. We do have a couple of volume bumps to be aware of. Amgen, eBay, and BlackBerry all had volume bumps. BlackBerry had a really weak close, closed almost 4% below the day's open. We've got a couple notable VWAP deviations in First Solar and Amgen. That's where they closed, well below their VWAPs. Make sure you make note of these signals here. As far as the financials go, it's definitely a little less signal oriented, but we do have volume bumps here and one VWAP deviation in the ICE. Note that the VWAP deviation in ICE also comes with a volume bump. Energy stocks are very weak today. CHK's got a downside sell signal, 3.6% below the day's open on increased volume. We've got a couple of conditions just like that. Just take a look at the list here. These are ones you want to keep an eye on for potential follow through to see if they've gotten down to any critical support levels. The generals are kind of paired off here, not really as universal as far as the signals go. Beware of the volume bumps here. Pretty big bump here in Comcast, very weak close. Coca-Cola, a lot of volume. Pfizer flirting with a downside CPS signal. And just keep in mind that a little of this will be colored by the rebalance of today's close. Housing definitely to the downside here for the most part. Not any real volume bumps, but definitely more bearish than bullish. Downside CPS signal in FedEx, FDX. And looking at the commodity names, Monsanto had a rough day, 3.5% below the day's open, 2 times the typical volume, and that one's going out with a downside CPS signal for Monday. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for TradeSight.